This is feedback for Sana on our IC1 essay. Generally, really good job. Just a couple things just to make this a lot stronger. This word you can take out. The first, again, this is the first reason. That's like language that we use in the body paragraphs when you're making your point. Here in the intro, we don't say things like that. You can just start straight and just say, many people are busy parents. Just start straight into it like that. WWF, that means wrong word form. So work is the right word. It's just the ending is wrong. So maybe it's ed, maybe it's to work, maybe it's something else. So figure that out. Disconnect is what I talked about in class. Give me another sentence here that brings both of these together. Here in the body paragraph, mostly good stuff as a result of that. Again, wrong word. And here I was just saying, is this related? So you're saying that when in school, most of their kids can't concentrate on the lesson. What's that have to do with health problems? Okay, how does not concentrating on the lesson lead to health problems? Or that needs to be fixed. You need to explain that better. Okay, good. Good transitions, good topic sentence, good points. Wrong word. You're saying as a result here, that's the wrong transition. You already gave a result, and you need to say this is a new point. So you need to use a transition that gives a new point here. SP means spelling. This word is spelled wrong. This word should be here, not there. Wrong word again. Wrong word. Make those changes and upload into port 1. If not.